guys, it's Hitesh and Hasani.
And we're back with another video. It's going to be a slime challenge.
Let's get started. Today we're going to use these jars to put all the ingredients in.
Each person is going to pick 10 papers that have the ingredients written on them. We can choose if we want to use them or if we don't want to use them. Hey, let's do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first.
Let's do it. Should we do three? Or first to three? Or
First to
first
two.
to one?
Two.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bang. One. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win! I go first. Let's get it started. I'm going to pick now.
Just pick one. One.
Let's see what I have.
What does it say?
It says orange or gold glitter. I pick orange, definitely. The orange glitter.
He loves orange. You're going to put a lot, aren't you?
That's enough.
My turn.
We're gonna put all of them right next to this.
Light green or purple glitter. No, thank you.
It's my turn again. Let's see what I pick. And I picked blue food coloring. And I think it's gonna be a good choice.
My turn. I still didn't see it. Found it. Blue food coloring. No,
How
thank
did we
you.
get the same thing? That's weird.
Your turn again.
Okay, let's see what I get.
Let's see. What color?
Yellow food coloring. I'm gonna add this. Okay, here's the yellow. I'm gonna add. How many drops should I add?
4.
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5. Because my sister kept and I didn't.
Okay, my turn.
Third turn for my sister.
Please be a good one. Yellow food color.
How did we get the same thing again? This is so weird.
Still no thank you.
Okay, it's my turn. My fourth turn.
You keep getting
Red food coloring? No, I do not want that.
That's what I want. My turn.
Hasni?
Please get pink or red glitter. Pink.
My sister's favorite color is pink.
Second. Gold is my favorite.
I wonder how much you're gonna add.
A lot. I love glitter.
Oh my god.
Wait. What is these?
That's a lot already. I wonder how much a lot means.
But
Oh, that's a lot, definitely.
no, it's not.
It's my turn again. It's already my 5th turn and I still didn't get glue. I really need to get glue.
Or it could be a disaster.
Let's see what I get. Normal glue! Thank you!
That's what I want. Again.
Yes! It's finally glue. put it in.
Get your stirrer.
Not yet.
Hmm.
Oh no. Is there any way that I can get more glue?
Just let me help, please.
It's fine, I can do it.
Did I do something?
I think this is enough.
I don't think that's enough.
Actually, a little more. And I'm going to do it really fast.
Put more.
That's enough.
No, more.
And I finally got glue. I'm so happy.
I hope I get glue or what I wish for. Please get me something.
Clear glue! My sister
No.
got clear.
No, I don't
but
want
she
clear.
denied it. Why?
I want a different glue.
Okay. It's my 6th turn.
And I still didn't get. Let's see.
Shaving cream! Ooh. Might be fluffy.
It's going to be fluffy. It's
Might.
really good.
Shake it up.
That might
Enough.
be too much.
That might be too much.
Way too much. My turn. Please get me something I like. Green food color. Not a good choice.
Okay, my 7th turn.
And I still didn't get anything except glitter. Please. You don't need it.
I got orange or gold glitter.
Put more orange or gold. You can put more.
I
gold.
actually don't want
You
them.
can do gold.
I don't want any more. I'm fine.
My turn. Please get something I want. Green foot.
How
color.
did you get it again?
I don't know. I got like 2 or 3 times.
It's my 8th turn.
I might not get glue. Let's see what you got.
Clear glue. I'm going to add just a little. I don't care which glue. And I have too much of this anyway. Okay, that probably is enough. Yeah, that's enough.
My turn.
Oh,
Get me something I like. I need it. Nope. Light green or purple glitter.
Again?
No, light green or purple.
Yeah, the first turn it was that. Okay, my 9th turn.
I might do.
Maybe you can add it at the end, the clear glue.
And I just have glitter.
Clear glue again. I don't want it. It's fine.
My
You have one big.
9th turn. Blue food color.
Just that.
No. Blue. Pink. No. Here's one.
Okay, my 10th and final turn. Let's see what I get.
Just get one.
I have white or black glitter. I choose white.
My turn. Please be something good. Shaving cream. Yes. What?
There it goes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's good.
Guess my sister should have added the clear glue, but
Chose not
it's
to.
at the end, so we need to add a glue. So you need to add a clear glue.
I'm gonna have to clean lots of it. Come on.
Now our 10 turns are over. Time to mix it. Write down in the comments down below which color you think it's going to be.
And which color is your favorite?
And remember to subscribe.
This is not working.
I know. I think I might have added too much foam. Okay.
That's not it. The glue is down and the foam is up.
Yeah, true.
Time to add. It's working, kind of. Yeah, it's working. It's gonna be very white.
Yes, it's finally mixing. Okay, time to add mine. I think I might need a lot.
Time to reveal our slimes.
Wait! Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Ring the bell icon. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
My slime is this rubbery slime, and you can bounce it.
Mine is sticky and stretchy and fluffy. And see-through a little, but very glittery.
Depending on which one you like, write #rubber if you like mine. #sticky if you like my sister's. Bye.
See you next time.